Hey guys, we have 5 minus 2 squared, 6 divided by 3. 5 minus 2 squared, 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? So 5 minus 4, 6 divided by 3, right? Now 5 minus 4 equals 1 and 6 divided by 3. Now 1 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So now here is multiply. 1 times 2 equals 2. But this is wrong. Why? Multiplication and division must be done before addition and subtraction. But parentheses and exponents first. Then multiplication and division. So follow the order of operations. We use PEMDAS rule. Parentheses first, then exponent, then multiplication and division from left to right, then addition and subtraction from left to right. Now let's solve this correctly. 5 minus 2 squared means 2 times 2 equals 4, right? 6 divided by 3. Okay, now 5 minus 4 and 6 divided by 3 equals 2, right? Now here is multiply. So multiply first, right? So 5 minus 4 times 2 equals 8 and 5 minus 8 equals minus 3.